my country, we don't have factories. So people eat normal healthy grains. All vegetable has nutrition, but each vegetable has different nutrition. This leek and onion, they smell so nice already. It's very healthy, not from factory. It's handmade to make a sauce. Base, and then I'm adding the vegetable. That's it. And I rub.
Really, really nice.
We don't want to cook all of it, so it's just it's part of the healthy eating in the community. That's it. One person Bosch. And I think this one belongs to Mahal.
Yeah.